Hello, this is Bob, the Flying Dutchman. Currently not flying, but back home in Netherlands in our workshop, where we actually today are testing a complete sieving line. As you can see already, the belt is full with frass and larvae, and we have complete bins of our on our school where we had the zoom racks, where we had the production of the frass and the larvae. So as you can see, we like a practical approach, and seeing is believing. So today we'll do a test with different moist contents in the frass and see how the sieving line works and where it benefits our customers. As you all know, substrate is the moist content is very decided about how well or how bad or how easy or how not easy the sieving goes. As you can see here, if I have the substrate here, the thing it's very dry, but if I then squeeze it, you see it becomes a lump. So still, although the substrate looks dry, and yes, we sieved it, so that's a good thing, but still it gives like the main lumps of it, so it's still a higher moist content. There are different ways of sieving your larvae. One hand we're using water here now to see how well the larvae can be separated from the larvae. That's of course an advantage and disadvantage, but finding out is knowing. Bye bye, gotta fly.